Are you applying for college or graduate school? Are you struggling with the admission essay? Do not worry. I am here to teach you how to write a robust college or graduate school admission essay. The majority of the content will be applicable to essays around 1,000 words. In the later part of the video, I am going to briefly talk about how to deal with short answers. The tips I share in this video are the ones I strongly wish I had mastered in an earlier stage of my life. What makes a good admission essay are really the structure and the content. First, let's talk about the structure of a good essay. Usually, your essay should have 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction. The following 3 paragraphs are the arguments, and the last paragraph is the conclusion. Within the introduction, the first sentence is the leading statement. The purpose of the leading statement is to make an opening for the essay. While it is nice to have a strong leading statement, a simple statement like "Your university has always been my dream school" works. The last sentence of the introduction is the thesis statement, and it is extremely important. The thesis statement is the central argument for the entire essay. It is common to supply 3 arguments for the essay, and the thesis statement is a summarization of the 3 arguments. The 3 paragraphs for the arguments are the 3 talking points of the essay. It is common for the admission office to ask for a personal statement. In the case of writing a personal statement, the 3 arguments are the 3 main traits that define you as a good candidate, and you should select the 3 traits that work in your favor for the admission. It is also possible that the admission office asks you to write on a specific topic. In that case, the 3 arguments need to address the question specifically. Within each paragraph, it is always nice to have an opening statement and an ending statement to make transitions, but they are not always necessary. The last paragraph is the conclusion, and it should summarize the 3 arguments and make a strong ending statement. It can feel a little repetitive since the thesis statement is also a summarization of the 3 arguments. The difference is that in the conclusion you have the liberty to have an extended summarization, whereas the thesis statement is strictly 1 sentence. With the structure of the essay explained, let's talk about the content of the essay, or how to make good arguments. First of all, make arguments that reflect a good trait of yours. Good examples are community service, athleticism, and strong grade points. If you think in the shoes of the admission officer, it is obvious what to avoid. For instance, while professional gaming is a serious and respected job nowadays, in the eyes of the admission officers, gaming does not always bring out good traits. Last but not least, it is crucial to actually make an argument instead of supplying facts only. It is important to deliver your message clearly, and the argument should not require any inference. For example, instead of writing "I play basketball daily" and leave it there, follow up by saying "Through daily training, I built the physical stamina and mental endurance needed for long-hour studying sessions in college." It is near the end of the video, and let's talk about short answers. Writing in 1 paragraph response is similar to writing in 1 paragraph argument. Start the short answer with an opening statement to bring out later discussion. Write the key arguments you wish to make in the middle. Close the short answer with a strong ending statement. The same rules for supplying good content apply. As a conclusion, an admission essay often consists of 5 paragraphs, with the first paragraph being the introduction, the following 3 being the arguments, and the last being the conclusion. It is important to give a strong and clear thesis statement at the end of the introduction, as well as making substantive and unambiguous arguments. With these tips, I hope you get into your dream schools and have a bright future. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe